Hi beautiful family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you 3 best way to use rosemary to grow your hair like never before, thicken up your hair, boost that crazy hair growth. This was how my hair was in 2023 and this is how my hair is now in 2025. So I will take you step by step on how to use this rosemary to grow your hair, to boost your hair, to support hair growth and solve many of your hair problems. You can use the dry version of rosemary or the fresh leaf of the rosemary, but in today's video I'll be making use of the dry rosemary leaf. So let me take you step by step on how I prepare this great recipe. This is my dry rosemary leaf I'll be using to make this rosemary recipe. Recipe number 1 is tea spray. I will scoop out 2 tablespoons of my dry rosemary leaf into my jar container. I'll be doing infusion method, but you can also do boiling method. Okay, it's not that you must do infusion method. You can do boiling method or infusion method, but believe me, infusion method will give you that best result. Okay, because all the nutrients of the ingredients are so intact than the boiling method. I just pour in hot water on it. I will cover it and keep it aside in a cool dark place to infuse for 24 hours. So while the rosemary tea spray is infusing, let's make the rosemary oil. Recipe number 2. I'll also be scooping out 2 to 3 tablespoons of my dry rosemary leaf into my jar container, and I make sure that the jar container is free of moisture. The carrier oil I'll be making use of is my argan carrier oil. This rosemary oil I'm about to make, I will use it for 2 purposes. So keep on watching to see how to make this to be super potent. It's not just to make the oil, there's something about this rosemary recipe I'm sharing with you today. I will be unlocking some secrets on how to use this rosemary to get that best result. So don't skip any bit of this video. If you really want to know the proper way to use this recipe, watch this video to the end and believe me, you will never regret it. So what I'm doing now, I'm doing double boiling method. I just put my jar contain my oil and the rosemary on top of the hot water. I will keep on stirring it time to time. I will leave it on this heat for 10 to 15 minutes. But as you can see, the fire is not too high or the light is not too high. I just keep it in a low flame light, okay, so that it will not be too high. Okay, so I keep on stirring it so that it can infuse. I will only infuse it, like as I said before, I will infuse it for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the 10 to 15 minutes mark, I will off the gas and cover it. Once I cover it, I remove it and keep it in my cabinet to infuse together with the rosemary water for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you see how rosemary water is coloring. This rosemary water have released in nutrients properly. Do you see how potent this rosemary water is? This is the way to infuse your rosemary water to get that best results. Please stop doing boiling method. Stop doing boiling method unless you are very careful. Okay, if you are not careful, know how to set your fire, please do infusion method and you get the good benefits on using this rosemary water on your hair. I just bring my bowl and my shifter to collect my rosemary water and it's ready to be used. This is how my rosemary water is look like. Moving on to next one is the rosemary oil. Do you see how this rosemary oil is coloring now? It's more darker than the earlier we infuse it. So what I do now, I bring my sheaf cloth and a bowl to collect my oil. So this part is very necessary. I'm going to squeeze it very, very well to make sure I get all the oil out of the rosemary chaff, because this oil I'll be using it for two purposes. After squeezing it, I bring my oil container to transfer the oil into this container. My rosemary oil is ready. This is how I make my rosemary oil for that best results. The remaining oil I'll be using it for next recipe. So this is my rosemary oil and my rosemary water. Do you see how colorful, how beautiful this rosemary oil and rosemary water look? They are very, very potent, guys. No joke with this recipe. Recipe number 3 is rosemary hair butter. I was scooping out 2 to 3 tablespoons of my shea butter. It can go high, it can go less, depending on quantity you are making for the butter. So I'm not making large quantity like that because I already have butter at home. So I'll also be needing hot water again to melt this shea butter together with the rosemary oil. It's very, very important. So the bowl you are seeing contains hot water on it. So I'll keep on stirring it until the shea butter melted before I will remove it from the double boiling method. I will not advise you to put this in microwave. Don't melt your shea butter in microwave, okay? It's not advisable, okay? It's not good at all. The microwave can kill the power or the nutrient of the shea butter. Just do double boiling method the way I just did it. In that way, this shea butter nutrient is so intact. So after melting it, I remove it from the water and keep it aside to cool down a little bit before I put it in my freezer to solidify. Once I have solidified a little bit, not that super solidified, I brought it out and use my hand mixer, start whipping it to make the butter. Do you know that rosemary have very powerful property that help to grow our hair? Rosemary essential oil, rosemary tea spray, rosemary oil, rosemary butter, anything that contain rosemary, they are very, very potent in growing our hair. Don't joke with this recipe I'm sharing with you. You may look it so simple, but believe me, the work this recipe will work on your hair is more than what you think. So after whipping my butter, do you see how it look like? This butter is so fluffy. Like as I said, I don't like my butter to be thick, okay, because my hair is low porosity. And after whipping this butter, keep it a while, it also get more thicker. So if you want your butter to be more thicker, I believe you should increase your butter or reduce the oil you add on it. In that way, your butter will come out super thick. So what I did, I add essential oil and my vitamin E oil, okay? It's very necessary you add vitamin E oil, okay, and also essential oil. But if you don't have essential oil, please skip it and make sure you add vitamin E oil, okay? So after adding them, I will still whip it more to make sure that they have mixed up very well. They have married themselves very, very well. So at this point, I'm through whipping my butter. I'm okay with the consistency of the butter I have gotten so far. Do you see how fluffy, how yummy this butter is looking like? Even the color, it colors like ice cream. Guys, this hair growth butter is so attractive. Super yummy. Let me know what you think about this butter. So I just bring this container to transfer my rosemary hair growth butter. These are the best way to use rosemary to grow your hair like never before. Guys, you will never regret watching this video. You will never regret trying this recipe on your hair. Your hair will grow like never before. You know that rosemary have very powerful property that help to grow hair like crazy. These are the 3 best ways to use rosemary to grow your hair like never before. Believe me, while using this, being consistent, using these 3 recipes of 1 ingredient will grow your hair like never before. Rosemary oil, rosemary butter, and rosemary tea spray. So I have shown you how to make them. Now is how to use them for that best results. First of all, you cannot apply hair butter on a dry hair or oil on a dry hair. You need to use your liquid to hydrate your hair first before you can use your butter or your oil. So what I'm doing now, I'm using the rosemary tea spray first to hydrate my hair first, so that when I apply the butter and the oil, it will do that great work it's supposed to do and penetrate very well on my hair. Do not apply rosemary butter or oil on a dry hair. You will not see the good results. Apply it on a damp hair, okay? And also I make sure that I work it in very well. Make sure that this penetrates very well in the strand of my hair and also on my scalp. After applying the rosemary tea spray, next thing is to bring the butter. Do you see how fluffy this rosemary butter look like? This rosemary butter is super fluffy. This rosemary butter will moisturize your hair for a long period of time, keep your hair super moisturized for days without you bothering of remoisturizing your hair. This rosemary butter is a game changer. If you do want to thicken up your hair, if you want to stop that hair fall, follow this routine and you will never regret it. Just try to be consistent. Use this recipe and be consistent with it for 3 to 4 months. You will never regret it. Your hair will never remain the same. After applying my hair growth butter, after applying my rosemary hair growth butter, the next one is the oil. I will use the oil to see in the moisture, and also I will focus on the scalp because hair growth comes from scalp. And do not forget your problem areas and also your edges and the tip of your hair, because the tip of our hair is the oldest part of our hair. Whatsoever you apply on your hair, give tip of your hair special care, okay? After applying all this on your hair, the next thing is to massage the scalp so that this product can penetrate very well and do that great work it's supposed to do on your hair. I hope you have learned the 3 best way on how to use rosemary to grow your hair like never before. Please, if you find this video helpful and you have not liked, please help me to click on that like button. And please, if you have not subscribed, if you have not joined this beautiful family, help me and click on that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your post notification bell to all so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload amazing videos like this. Help me to share this video to your loved one, your family and friends, those that are looking for a way to use to grow their hair, simple recipe to grow their hair and solve their hair problem. I have come to end of today's video. If there's anything I did not cover up on this video, please let me know in comment section below. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.